Hey you all, thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel today. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved my wash and go and how I got these curls to look this popping. Like, look at these curls, y'all. Look at them. Alright, so to get started, you know we have to section your hair off. Like, definitely section it because it will make doing it so much easier. Like, so much easier. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful. Okay, you guys definitely want to make sure you drench your hair. Your hair has to be soaked in order to achieve a very defined wash and go, like soaked to the gods, like soaked. And of course, I'm using the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel by Mael Organics. You guys, this gets my curls so defined. I also use the Talia Wajid leave-in conditioner, and I use the Eco Styler for this as well. So first came the leave-in. Well, first came the water, of course. Then came the leave-in. Then the styling gel, and then the Eco Styler gel. So I used 4 products in total for this. So for the rest of the video, I'm just going to be showing you all the method that I've been doing in the video. I'm going to saturate my hair with water. Then I'm going to put in the leave-in. And then I'm going to put the styling gel by Mael Organics. And then I'm going to add my Eco Styler gel. And I can show you which one that I used right here. And so you all just please make sure that you do the shingling method. The shingling method is so important to a wash and go, especially if you want a defined wash and go. Shingling method works perfectly for that. Yes, it's a little tedious, but honey, if you want that bomb wash and go, you're gonna put in this little hour and a half, 2-hour job to get it done. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. If I is a movie, you're the best part. So nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the salad all I take when the peppers. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. I just had to come back real quick because, y'all, this definition, do you see the curls? Do you see how they look? Look how defined these curls are. Alright, y'all, so this is day 2 of my hair looking like this. This is how it looks the next day. It's about 90% dry. I would not say 100 because it's not dry all the way. It takes a long time for my hair to dry, but I will say I love the way the curls came out. They are a little crunchy, I will say they are a little crunchy, so I'm definitely going to try different products with my wash and goes to see how they come out. I can definitely do a wash and go series on that. Even if I do fail, I do want to see how they come out, because this is really wash and go season. It's not for me, it's wash and go. For my hair, it's wash and go season and twist out season. So winter time, I don't really do that many wash and goes. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't really do that many wash and goes. But yes, like, so definitely will probably do more wash and goes just to see how they come out. I'll be using different products, probably different gels, different leave-ins, just to see how my hair comes out with using different wash and go techniques, because I do like this one, but I also do want to see less crunch when it comes to my wash and goes. So yes, I definitely will be recording those as well. Even I think I might even do the fails to show you guys, you know, what doesn't work for my type of hair. And that'll be a different video, but I really don't do the hair typing because I don't know if you guys can see, but as I can see, I have so many different hair textures within my one head. Like, I have so many different types of textures, so I can't really type my hair to one specific hair type. But I probably am in the 4s. I know for sure I'm in the 4, but I just don't, like 4C, 4B, 4A, I can't really go off of that because I have so many, like the back is such a different texture than the front. So that's a different video. So yes, if you have gotten to this point, thank you for deciding to journey with me, and I will see you in my next video. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.